Yo, yo, yo! It's your boy, Admiral Kuto. On the mic una sa lahat, maraming salamat to everyone who joined the Budots Dance Contest for the release of my new album. Grabe ang energy, grabe ang creativity. Yung mga moves ninyo, next level talaga. You all showed the true spirit ng Budots Party Vibes, Street Vibes, pure Pinoy energy. Alright, now it's time I announce na natin ang winners. Let's start with our level 3 winners. Congratulations sa Facebook page, Mahay Prince Kurt Special. Shout out kina Kurt and Simon, malakas ang galaw ninyo. You are taking home 1,500 pesos. Isa pang level 3 winner, the Facebook page, Maya. Big congrats kay Troy, solid performance. You also win 1,500 pesos. Now, umakyat na tayo, level 2. Congratulations kay Bernardita Cayasa. You win 2,000 pesos, malinis ang galaw, malakas ang dating, well-deserved talaga. And now, eto na, level 1 grand winner. The winner of 5,000 pesos goes to the Facebook page, Jocelyn Campos Santillan. Congratulations, Ate Jocelyn. You brought the fire, you brought the vibe. Binuhay mo ang budot sa dance floor. Palakpakan natin lahat ng winners at sa lahat ng sumali. Maraming salamat sa support, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-share ng good vibes, at tandaan ninyo, this is only the beginning. Excited akong i-announce na a brand new Admiral Kuto Budots album is coming very soon. Mas malakas, mas solid, mas pang party, at syempre, yes, may kasunod na dance contest, ang next Budots Dance Contest. Mag-uumpisa na sa January 17, kaya ihanda na ang sarili, ihanda ang crew, ihanda ang mga galaw. Follow, share, stay locked in, more music, more contests, more Budots. This is Admiral Kuto. Maraming salamat, tuloy ang saya, tuloy ang party.